nakakaalam sa inyo ng mga magic word. Like abra, kadabra, hocus, focus, open,
Sesame!
no, close. Ayan, then open sesame. Pero dahil nandito tayo sa birthday celebration po ni Cristo, ang gagamitin ko, tama, birthday, first birthday, happy birthday, Cristo. Okay? Kids, sabihin po natin, pag sinabi kong say the magic word, anong isasagot? Cristo. Okay? One more time. Say the magic word. Dapat sabay-sabay malakas. Okay, one more time. Say the magic word. Happy birthday! Alright. Okay. Kailangan, bago po lalabas yung ating... At lalong hindi ako magmamagic hanggang di ko naririnig yung mga malakas na hiyawan! Walang... Very good. Our magic word is... Happy birthday, Cristo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our magic show is coming up.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you are about to see will mystify you, amaze you, and take your mind on a journey into a world you never thought possible. Please be prepared. You will see things flash photography without prior written permission. Also, smoking, open flames, and laser pointers are strictly prohibited during the show. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your journey into a world of...
Kids, don't try this at home. It's a fire. Wow, it's hot. Come on, clap your hand and watch our magic show. Wow. Okay, reminder kids, please don't try this at home. Okay, what color? What color? Yes, black. Okay, let's check my hand. What happened to my hand? Nothing. Okay, let's check my other hands. What happened? What happened? Nothing. Okay, what color again? Black. And this one, what color? Come on, shout red. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, I have a flower. And wow! Thank you. Wala man lang pumapalakpak. You want more? Yes. Okay, let's go. What color again? Yes, I have here a red. Happy. Don't close your eyes. And shout happy birthday, Cristo! Wow! Oh, ay, sorry. Sorry for the cosmetic. Clap your hands. Open your eyes. What? Clap your hands. What color again? Red. And this is my magic wand. Open your eyes. Thank you. Color. Don't blink your eyes, kids. Ma'am, check the ribbon. Check the ribbon. Feel the ribbon. Did you feel anything? Nothing. What? Say the magic word. Happy birthday! Wow! Wala man lang pumapalakpak. Alright. Okay. Ayan. Okay, this is my first bird. Okay, clap your hands to our first bird. Who wants to touch the bird? Okay, touch the bird. Ayan, come on, touch the bird. Wow. Oh, kuya, masyado ka seryoso. Touch the bird. May sariling mundo si kuya, no? Ayan, nag-e-enjoy yung mga ibang kids siya, busy-busy. Ayan, okay, touch the bird, touch the bird. Okay, alright, alright. O, ate, touch the bird. Huwag kayo mag-alala, mabait yan. O, kuya, touch the bird. Ay, humahabol din si kuya, si baby. Ayan, okay, let's clap your hand. You want more? You want more? You want more? Okay, palakpakan naman ng malakas. And let's go to our next magic. Music. Ay, nandyan pala ating birthday celebrant. Okay, once again, I have here a 3 ring. How many ring? 3. Okay, this is my first ring. Let's check. Watch. Open your eyes. Ha! Walang daya. Second ring. Ha! Walang daya. Third ring. Wala pong kadaya-daya. Konti lang. Bilisan ang inyong mga mata at bibilisan ko ang aking mga kamay. And 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Magic. Do it again. I have here our third ring. Open your eyes. Look at this. Wow! Ayan. O, napapapalakpak na si tita, ha? Tita, look at this. How many ring? How many ring? 3. Okay, watch. Look at the ring. And shout happy birthday, Christoph. 1, 2, 3. Wow, magic. Ayan. Do it again. Watch. 1, 2, and 3. What color? Yes, I have a red cake. Watch. Ha! Watch. Wow! Walang pumapalakpak. Thank you so much. And say the magic word, happy birthday, Krista! Wow! So this time I have red and black. Look at the red and black hanky. Wow, I have here another bird. So how many birds do I have? 1 plus 2 equals 3 birds. You want more to see more birds? Gusto niyo ba ng birds? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our next magic, please do not try this because I'll use a fire. Music. Gagamit ako ng apoy. Huwag gagayahin. Bago tayo mag-start? Okay, thank you so much. And this time, I have a red box. Okay? Once again, let's check inside the box. Empty. Empty box. Skip. Huwag gagayahin. And I have a lighter again. Open your eyes. Aray ko, mainit. Say the magic word. Happy birthday, Crystal. Wow! Alright. Okay, who wants to bring home a bird? Raise your... Uy, ang dami. Sige, ganito gagawin ko. Iahagis ko sa taas yung ibon. Kung sino ang makasalo sa kanya mapupunta yung bird. And 1, 2, and 3. Where's the bird? Asan yung ibon? Ay! Okay, stop the music. Ayan, hindi po namin ipamimigay yun. It's a joke. Ayan. Okay, gusto niyo pa? Gusto niyo pa? Nag-e-enjoy ba yung mga kids natin? Yung mga adults po natin nag-e-enjoy. Kung nag-e-enjoy yung mga adults natin and kids, parinig po rin sa malakas na palakpakan. Thank you so much and let's go to our next magic. Music please. Look at my hand. This time, I'll get my picture frame. Anong nakalagay sa picture frame? Our watch. Look at the word. What color? White. Thank you. Hindi ko na po kasalanan yung mabagal yung camera nyo. Okay, what? Look at the word. Ito na lang kita, babawi ako. Look at the word. Okay, stop. Ayan. Alright. Stop the music. Gusto tayo. Next magic. Music. Ayan. This time, wala pong gagaya nito. Napakadelikado. Ha? Kids, wag niyo pong gagayahin ito. Napakadelikado. Kami po ay nagsanay ng mahabang panahon. Okay? I'll get my balloon at my box. What color? White. Okay, watch this. Huwag kagayahin, kids, ha? Napakadelikado. And my palm. What color again, kids? Reminder, huwag gagayahin. Water. And one more check. Check the paper. Don't close your eyes. I have here a seasoning. Kids, what is the magic word again? Happy birthday! One more time, say it louder! Ladies and gentlemen, the paper turns into... Thank you so much. Ayan, wala bang mas malakas pang palakpakan? Makakala niyo, sir. Joke. Wait. Pasensya na kayo ha. Hindi pa kumakain yung magician nyo. Ayan, gusto nyo ba? Ng noodles? Gusto nyo na? Ay, ayaw. Excuse me. Okay, let's go to our next magic. Music! What color is this? Yes, I have a red hockey. Open right. Wow, yellow. So I have red and yellow. Next color is white. So I have 3 color here. Next color, blue. So I have 4. And next color is green. So let's check the color. What color is this? Green. Next color. Next color. Next color. And the last color is, ayan. Ito po ang pinakamahirap ko pong magic. Natutunan ko po ito sa Thailand. Ayan. I learned this trick in Thailand. Kung paano po mawala lahat ang mga panyong ito in 3 seconds. Maniniwala ba kayo, kids? Yes, of course. What till? Sa loob lamang po ng 3 segundo, mawawala po ang mga panyong ito sa inyong harapan. Napakahirap po nito. Okay, 1, 2, 3! Taran! Wow, magic! Why ate? Ha? Magic! Nawala yung panyo. Asaan? Andyan pala si Lolo eh. Binuko ako ni Lolo. Hindi bale, ulitin po natin. Uulitin po natin. One more time. But this time, I'll use my magic bag. Okay, this is my magic bag. Ipapasok ko po sa loob yung mga panyo. Pag sinabi natin yung magic word, lahat ng mga panyo sa loob ay mawawala. One more time. Say the magic word. Happy birthday! One more time. Happy birthday! Ladies and gentlemen, the hanky inside the bag is gone. No more hanky. Oh.
Nahulog.
Kuya, nakalimutan mo na naman i-zipper, kaya pala nalaglag eh. Okay, don't worry, i-zipper po natin. Ayan, na-zipper na po. May nakikita ba kayo sa loob? Wala. Make sure na walang kalaman-laman. Empty bag. Okay, this time I'll put one by one. What color? Blue. Yeah, white. Color? Red, very good. Yellow. Green, okay. One more check. Did you see anything all hanky inside the bag? Yes? Okay. Pag sinabi natin yung magic word, mawawala na po lahat yung mga panyo sa loob. Say the magic word. One more time. Very good. Yeah, very good. Ay, nandito pa pala. Akala ko nawala na. One more time. Say the magic word. Ayan, maniwala kayo sa hindi, lahat ng mga panyo sa loob ay wala na. Wow, magic! Ha, Tito? Are you sure? Wala. Wala ng panyo. Ayan, kahit tingnan nyo pa, wala ng panyo. Ayan, o. Wala na, it's gone, ha? Tito? Wala, oo. Sabi ko wala na eh. Ha? Ganon? Alright, okay, next magic tayo. Next music, our next magic is what we call my arm illusion. This time, I have aluminum blade. Watch. Another blade. Solid metal blade. What's this kid? And this is my arm illusion box. Watch. Look at this kid. One arm. Another blade. Don't worry, Vision. Ah! Everybody clap your hands! And my hands is moving again. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa tatlong pumalakpak. Thank you so much. Okay, sino po ang naiinitan sa inyo? Sino po ang naiinitan? Lahat tayo naiinitan? Mamainit ba? Ayan, mamaya, libre yata ang swimming mamaya after the program, ano? Ayan, pero ngayon, this time, gagawa po ako ng snow. Gusto niyo ba yon? Alright, gusto niyo ba ng snow? Okay, our next magic is what we call my snowflakes into a snow magic. Yes, snow, our next magic is snowflakes into a snow magic. This time, I have here a white paper. Let's check the white paper. Anong shape ng white paper? A square. Very good, kids. Ipo-fold po natin yung square paper. This time, what shape? Very good. Triangle. One more fold. Very good, kuya. Triangle again. One more fold. Very good, ate. And last fold is... what shape of the paper? Anong airplane? Anong airplane? No, this is not an airplane, ate. This shape is what we call the cone shape or hugis apa. At ito po yung ating magic na tinatawag ko pong my snowflakes into a snow magic. What happened? My magic is not working. One more time, do it again. This magic is what we call my snowflakes into a snow magic. May kumukontra ba? Itaas nga po ng kamay ng kumukontra. Don't make kontra-kontra, ate. Just watch only, ha? Okay, abangan po natin kung ano mangyayari sa ating square paper. Look at this. What is the shape of the paper? Square, very good. And watch, and let's see what happened to our square paper. Itong magic na to ay ito po yung tinatawag ko pong snowflakes into a snow magic. This time, let's check the square paper. The square paper turns into snowflakes. Snowflakes turn into a snow. Look at my hand, empty. The other hand, empty. Tingnan mabuti yung paper. Huwag niyo pong iiwalay ang mata nyo dito sa paper na to. Look at the paper. What color? Okay, tingnan mabuti yung paper. Ma'am, sir, and kids. Tignan mabuti yung paper. This time, I'll get my magic fan inside my box. This is my magic fan. Watch. Artificial snow! Clap your hands! Thank you! And let's go to our last magic. Sit down. I have here a magic table. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's check under the table. Wala pong kadaya-daya. What is? And say the magic word. Happy birthday! Whoa! Clap your hands! Whoa! Open your eyes. Maraming salamat po. Nag-enjoy po ba tayong lahat? Kung nag-enjoy po ang lahat, marinig po rin sa malakas na palakpakan na may hiyawan! Maraming salamat po. Once again, my name is Alex. Alex the Magician, the first ever magician in the province of Nueva Vizcaya. Thank you so much and back to you home, Zapol. Bye-bye!
Yes, that was really a magical show.